guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Hopefully everyone okay. So guys, I bring another quick recipe. Today is winter time and I'm making today very hot mixed vegetable hot and sour soup. So guys, for the mixed vegetable hot and sour soup ingredients I have got, you can see lots of vegetables here mixed. So I'm taking one carrot, only one carrot, about 3 to 4 white mushroom, cabbage, French beans, spring onion, cauliflowers, broccoli, 2 green chilli, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, half inch of ginger, half white onion, dark soya sauce 2 tablespoons, white vinegar 2 teaspoons, black pepper crust half teaspoons, red chili sauce 1 teaspoon, salt 1.5 teaspoon, vegetable oil 2 teaspoon, cornflour 2 tablespoons. So guys, first I'm going to chop all the vegetables. So guys, I'm going to cut first white cabbage. I'm going to cut long slices, thin slice like that. Then I'm making a small cut like that. Next I'm going to cut the French beans, same size. Then I'm going to put all together. So guys, I'm using extra quantity of the vegetables because I'm cooking extra. So guys, you can select the vegetable according to your family members. Next, I'm taking deep fry pan, then gas on, let it warm first. When it's warm, then I'm going to add the oil. Then let it warm the oil. When it's warm, then I'm going to add the garlic first. Then I'm going to fry 1 to 2 minutes. Next, I'm going to add onion. Same time, I'm going to add ginger and green chili. Then I'm going to fry 2 to 3 minutes till a little bit golden brown. So after slightly brown, I'm going to add all vegetables. Then mix it up all together. Then I'm going to fry at least 3 to 4 minutes. Till all vegetables colors change. So guys, you can see all vegetables color have changed already. After 3-4 minutes, I'm going to add the water. Then mix it up all together. Then next I'm going to add the crushed black pepper, soy sauce, white vinegar, salt, red chili paste. Then going to mix all together. Next I'm going to add vegetable gravy granules, 1 teaspoon. You can add the vegetable cubes, so I haven't got vegetable cubes, so I'm going to use this one for the flavor. So guys, you don't need to cook too much, only 3 to 4 minutes. Next I'm going to mix the corn flour with water. Put a little bit of water, then mix. So corn flour using for the thickness. Next I'm going to add half of the corn flour, then mix. Don't put all in one. You can put slowly, half and half. Then cook till the thick the soup. So guys, it's cooked already, so it's thick enough. You can keep thick or thin, it's optional. So I don't want a very thick or thin, it's medium. Very end I'm going to add the spring onion. So I'm not going to cook my spring onions, so I'm going to leave like that. I like a little bit crunchy at the top. So guys, it's already cooked. Looks very yummy, sweet and sour mixed vegetable soups. So ready to eat. I'm going to serve. So guys, you must try this recipe. This is very easy to make. You can make within 10 minutes and you can eat with the rice or itself, and it is very healthy, very good in the winter. If you got flu, you can make like a very hot. You can add more chili and little more vinegar to make extra hot and sour. So guys, thank you very much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then everyone, take care. Bye bye.